Hey there guys, in this quick video I'm going to talk about the Google FY plans and how you can actually get it on cheaper and what kind of things you have to expect. So to get a cheaper based, what you can do is that you can have like group plans up to like 6 lines for lower per line costs, and also utilize the 50% of like bearing your own device, and it's primarily for like new customers. And that's something that you have to do, is that you have to leave FI for like 6 months or more to be considered a new customer. So this is something that you can also do. Now there is this thing that you can get unlimited essential. So a regular is like $60 for 2 lines, promo is $30 for 2 lines. So this is something that is important. And yeah, that's how it actually works. Now, another thing for you to try is that you can referral code. So you can use referral codes that you can also find on Reddit or like on the sites. And that's something you can do. And then also maybe kind of like check out for the free devices. So free phones or heavily discounted watches. So for example, on a Black Friday, and like waiting for some Christmas stuff. And this is something that you can also try to do. So thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day and goodbye.